Hello guys, this is me Ayan here. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to crop this image for multi-image Instagram post. Let's get started. Go to new and select 3000 pixels on each side. Now let's open the image. Here I am using my own pic. Now the image is not exactly square, so I'll show you how to do it. The blank layer needs to be square. Now click on the lock icon to unlock the layer. Now click and drag and drop it to our blank layer. Let me spread the image throughout the layer. Now go to view and check the ruler and snap. Now remember this marking 1000 and 2000 of the ruler. Just click and pull a line from the ruler, one till the 1000 and another till the 2000 of the above ruler. Do the same with this left side ruler as well. Pull two lines from the ruler below, one to 1000 and another to 2000. Now zoom in the image for accurately aligning the line to the 1000 mark. Do the same with 2000 mark as well. Same with the other two lines as well. Now you can see we have already divided the image into 9 equal parts of the image. So we have to select each part of the image. Go to rectangular marquee tool. Now select each section. We need to open a new background layer with 1000 pixels on each side. Now copy the selected part by pressing Ctrl or Command C and paste it here by pressing Ctrl or Command V. Now save it. Choose the JPEG format and rename it to 1. We will repeat the process until all the 9 segment is done. And remember that you have to name it according to the number, that is serial wise 1 to 9. So like this, I have already copied all the images by parts with the number in order. After arranging, it will look like this. Now you can upload one by one according to the serial number on your Instagram. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe so that you never miss a video.